Working with sheet metal in Autodesk Inventor can take time, especially when preparing flat patterns and exporting DXF files for manufacturing. AutoDXF streamlines the entire process. Designed for Autodesk Inventor, AutoDXF automatically finds all sheet metal parts in an assembly, creates flat patterns, and batch exports them to DXF, DWG, or STEP files in just a few clicks. No more repetitive manual work. With intelligent automation, AutoDXF can detect threaded holes, identify small holes, add bend directions and bend angles, and even organize layers and file names automatically based on your custom settings. Do you need manufacturing-ready outputs? AutoDXF helps you generate consistent, customizable DXF files optimized for CNC cutting and fabrication workflows. You can also preview flat patterns, rotate and align them automatically, export material lists, and create detailed reports directly to Microsoft Word. AutoDXF is built to save time, reduce errors, and simplify sheet metal production workflows. AutoDXF, faster preparation, cleaner exports, and smarter sheet metal processing. Download trial version now.